Hi guys. The Retro Technology Festival Old Car Land 2018 was held again on the territory of the Kiev State Aviation Museum. At the Old Car Land Festival, under the wings of 90 aircrafts, about 1,000 unique models of exclusive equipment are annually exhibited: retro cars, retro motorcycles, retro bicycles, retro mopes, retro trucks, retro buses. In this video you will see the best of motocyle machinery, both old and new. In previous releases, we already showed you some unusual motorcycles. Check out our channel and our previous issues, you will find there tons of cool stuff. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell not to miss new videos. See you around.